Okay, guys, so I know you're thinking this might be really tough to do when we're all stuck inside of our own homes. And believe me, people get really creative with this. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to be sending some positive messages virtually. So, using either Teams or your Outlook app, we're going to be sending people positive messages. Um, you could just tell a friend that you miss them or a teacher, whether it's a current teacher or a past teacher. Maybe you are noticing that somebody's really crushing it in e-school and a classmate that you just want to shout out. Go ahead and send them something positive. Or maybe you've been wanting to say something to somebody for a while and you just never got the opportunity to. I'm going to encourage you to do that now. Um, if you are unfamiliar with how to use Outlook or Teams to send individual messages, the next slide has videos walking you through exactly how you can do that. So your advisor will play those for you if you're a little bit stuck. Um, Try to send as many messages as you can. They don't have to be long, they could be quick. Just, hey, I miss you. Like, hey, hope you're doing well. Um, and try to get as many people involved that you possibly can in the next 15 or so minutes. And the last thing I want to mention is don't be upset if you don't get a message yourself. This isn't about receiving messages. This is about paying it forward and putting positive vibes out into the world in our community. Um, so just have fun with it, and you guys are going to do great. And I can't wait to see what you guys send each other, and I hope we all have a great start to our day. So have a good Tuesday, and I will see you guys later. Bye.